Somewhere between last year and right now, engineers stopped asking what if and started shipping here it is. AI that learns your habits, robots that study your movements, earbuds that dissolve language barriers mid-conversation, drones that see everything at once. This isn't a concept reel. This isn't a trade show floor. Every single device in this video is real, available, and already rewriting what ordinary life looks like. Today, we're breaking down the smartest innovations you can actually buy right now. Stay until the end, because the last few will genuinely surprise you. Let's go. Dyson Hushjet Mini. Pocket-sized. Palm light at 212 grams. But don't let the size fool you. This brushless motor screams at 65,000 RPM, pushing airflow at 25 meters per second. 5 speed settings, a burst boost mode, 6 hours of battery life. Dyson packed a hurricane into something you can wear around your neck. Insta360 Snap Selfie Screen. Your phone's best camera has always faced the wrong way. Until now. This magnetic 3.5-inch touchscreen snaps onto the back of your phone and mirrors everything in real time. Frame, zoom, focus, all while watching yourself live. No extra battery, no lag. The premium version even adds an adjustable ring light. One small accessory, completely eliminating the worst compromise in mobile photography. DJI Power 1000 Mini, 11.5 kilograms, 1008 watt-hours, 800 watts of continuous power, peaking at 1000. It runs laptops, cameras, drones, and appliances, anywhere. It charges to 80% in under an hour. It accepts solar, it accepts car power, and when the grid dies, UPS backup mode kicks in without a flicker. This isn't just a battery, it's a power grid you can carry. Anti-gravity A1 drone. Everything you see. Everything. That's what this drone captures. 8K, 360 degrees. Both lenses firing simultaneously. While it flies, you don't worry about framing. You choose your angle in post. At 249 grams, it fits in a bag. At 39 minutes of flight time, it outlasts the moment. Obstacle sensing, AI editing, goggles for real-time immersion. This is aerial filmmaking reimagined from the ground up. Shark Blast Boss. One device, 190 miles per hour of airflow, under 1.5 pounds. The Blast Boss replaces every blower and duster in your garage, car, and home with a single cordless tool you can hold in one hand. 3 attachments: precision nozzle, extension wand, blast broom. Cleaning was never supposed to be this fast. Sense Robot Chess Mini. A robotic arm reaches across the board and moves a piece, in real time, against you. The Sense Robot Chess Mini brings 26 AI difficulty levels, built-in lessons, live coaching, and online play through Lichess, all wrapped in a physical board that feels like facing a real opponent. Chess has been played for centuries. It's never looked like this. The music starts. The character on the display moves with it, animated, reactive, alive. 3 modes: ambient, beat synced, and full AI conversation. 3-way speaker system. RGB lighting that pulses with every beat. You can even generate a custom character from a single photo. This isn't a speaker, it's a stage. 1 second. That's how long it takes to switch from a fully autonomous floor mapping robot to a precision handheld stick cleaner. The Lean TR1 runs 360-degree LiDAR, RGBD vision, and 3D spatial mapping. But its most unsettling trick is this. It watches you clean, learns your technique, and gets better. The machine studies the human. Then it takes over. Luna Deskmate. It turns to face you. Eyes blink on the screen. The head tilts. Luna Deskmate docks an iPhone and transforms it into something with presence. A robotic AI companion that manages your emails, summaries, and schedule while looking at you like it actually cares. It also charges your devices, because even a desk companion needs to be useful. Cozy Time Lumo. No smoke, no guesswork. Focused infrared energy cooks faster, more evenly, and without burning the oil that causes indoor smoke. The AI identifies your food and adjusts temperature and timing automatically. It's a grill, oven, and tabletop cooker in one compact unit. Control it from your phone. Let it cook while you do something else. The kitchen just got smarter. UGREEN AI NAS. Your data, your AI, your private cloud, all in one box on your desk. No external servers, no privacy compromises. The UGREEN AI NAS doesn't just store files, it understands them. Semantic search, face detection, OCR, automatic albums, a local AI assistant that summarizes documents and answers questions about your own data. Storage stopped being passive. Now it thinks. The future isn't coming. It's already here, already priced, already shipping. The only question is, which part of it you bring home first? And there it is, the future, priced and ready to ship. What's remarkable isn't any single device, it's the pattern. AI is no longer trapped inside screens. It's in the fabric you wear, the board you play chess on, the mower navigating your garden at midnight. Technology is becoming physical, personal, and quietly unstoppable. So, which one broke your brain the most? Drop it in the comments. And if this video showed you something you didn't know existed yesterday, hit that like button, because that's exactly why TechTide exists. Subscribe if you're not already part of the wave. New drops, real breakdowns, zero fluff, every week. This is TechTide. Stay curious, stay ahead.